Hello and welcome to Eating Out. My name is Gaurav. नाम तो सुना होगा. This is season 3 and we are in a mood of celebrating everything, including this fine weather. अगर आप weather देखें तो बहुत सारे लोगों का मन करता है barbecue करने का. इसलिए इस episode के third segment में we'll teach you the B to Q of barbecue. Didn't sound so good. We'll teach you the A to Z of barbecue. Right from buying your barbecue kit to buying your ingredients and then making that supposedly and hopefully very, very tasty barbecue meal. All about it in the third segment. For right now, I am at Al Muruj Rotana at their seafood restaurant called Waterside. If you take a look around me, मेरा मन कर रहा है, at this time, I would have liked to catch some fish.
क्या कहा आपने?
Catch some fish.
Catch some fish.
Equipment नहीं है ना पूरी साहब पकड़ने के लिए.
चिंता नहीं. कहते हैं चिंता चिता का दूसरा नाम है. आपका इलाज ये रहा. इस फिश के लिए यही बहुत है.
I think he's got a point. This is all the equipment we need to catch some fish.
A lavish contemporary seafood fusion restaurant featuring an open shellfish and fish counter. The restaurant offers a wide selection of fish and seafood served with the freshest ingredients and prepared in various international styles.
This is where fresh fish from all over the world is displayed for you to choose from. There's some red snapper, some lobster, some sherry, mussels. There's a lot of variety to choose from. Unlike most cricket teams in the world, these people at the restaurant catch every day.
This restaurant has everything any savvy fish lover would come to expect. The staff are attentive and friendly. The ambience is quiet and relaxing, and part reason for all this is the color theme of blue used inside the restaurant. In fact, the ceiling has been decorated in such a way that it gives you a sense that you're sitting underwater.
अगर fish खाने वाले लोगों को fishitarian कहते हैं, तो ये humanitarian लोग क्या खाते हैं? Excuse me. शायद ये. You didn't have a bath? We'll stick to fish.
We ordered Gulf prawns, which is deep-fried tiger prawns on cucumber capellini and wasabi mayonnaise. Seared sea scallops, which are prepared with celeriac puree on a sherry caramel dressing.
Because the weather is fine, we've decided to sit outside. And what we've ordered is tiger prawns for Puri Sahab, some scallops for me, and also the reason why we've ordered white wine is because the tiger prawns are meaty and oily in nature and they best go with white wine. The real way of enjoying some very good tiger prawns.
गौरव
जी.
You have any idea कि स्कैलप कहाँ से आते हैं?
सबको पता है स्कैलप कहाँ से आते हैं. पानी में से आते हैं स्कैलप.
वाह वाह वाह. You know, actually, they are found in deep seas.
Right.
और right at the ocean bed. एकदम नीचे होते हैं. एक ज़माने में इसको पहले ड्रेजिंग करते थे. उससे नीचे that was not eco-friendly. उससे सारा नीचे का जो फ्लोरा और फौना था ना, वो डिस्टर्ब हो जाता और सब खराब हो जाता था. आजकल तो लोग डाइवर्स भेजते नीचे एंड दे प्लक इट आउट एंड दे पुट इट इनटू नेट्स. वहाँ उसी हिसाब से वो चलते हैं वो लोग. एंड देयर आर लॉट ऑफ कलेक्टर्स हु कलेक्ट द शेल्स ऑफ स्कैलप्स.
Right. So you're saying these are farmed scallops which are better.
Farmed are also there.
Yeah.
In China, they are farmed also.
Right.
And but basically scallops come more from the US side and Japan and apart from China. A little bit from New Zealand.
Right, and it's a very strange fact that most of the base scallops that are sold in the US and Canada actually come from China. So next time if you're thinking about the environment before ordering your scallops, go for base scallops. These are eco best fish. Right, Puri Sahab?
Absolutely.
क्या बात है. And now what about our scallops and the tiger prawn we had?
One word. Par excellence.
Puri Sahab, ये तो दो word हो गए ना.
दो चीजें थी ना.
And for the main course, we ordered sole fish prepared with broccoli shoots and Parisian potatoes. Whole sea bass, which is slowly baked in a salt crust and served with steamed vegetables and steamed rice.
ऑलराइट, ये तो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग था। मेरी सोल तो ऐसी की ऐसी प्लेट पर पड़ी हुई है। पूरी साहब की सी बैस, वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग प्रेजेंटेशन।
देखो ये भी ऐसी पड़ी हुई है,
हाँ,
पर इसमें थोड़ी सी लेमन बटर सॉस डालनी पड़ेगी।
डालिए डालिए,
मजा तब आएगा।
क्या बात है, आहा,
की गल है।
की गल है। वाह, चलिए शुरू किया जाए। Unlike Bryan Adams, there's no hole in my soul. This is full of a whole lot of taste though. But the question still is, why would anybody call a fish soul? Why?
मेरे से पूछ रहे हो?
और किससे पूछूं पूरी साहब?
अरे तो it's good for your soul.
This fish.
Yeah.
ये तो बहुत अच्छी बात आपने बताई।
नहीं, basically soul is a flat fish. So it's more like the sole of your shoe or your sandal. तो लोग इसलिए इसको सोल फिश कहते हैं कि बिल्कुल वैसे ही फ्लैट है।
So there's good reason why the soul is called the soul.
Besides being good for the soul.
So after a lot of food that has made our souls feel better, we're feeling like better souls now.
I feel like doing something nice.
And that is?
Having a dessert.
Okay, before we get into Puri Saab and his dessert fantasies, Puri Saab, what did you think of the food we had? Sole and the sea bass.
I think the food was very, very heartwarming. No unnecessary spices. I think just basically lemon, salt and pepper. A pepper we also very fainted. I'm telling you, it's the kind of food, natural food you are having for a change. It's fantastic. And that little hint of sea salt coming from the crust of that fish, amazing.
So you're saying all in all, you're happy with the food?
I'm more than happy with the food.
Like you can see behind us, शाम अब ढल रही है, ये मौसम अच्छा हो गया. This is the best time to come here and enjoy this outside seating. We're very, very happy. And this time I'm going to do something for a change. I'm going to go for a walk. And this time my partner is going to be Puri Saab. खाना खा लिया, अब चले Puri Saab?
हाथों में हाथ डाल के?
हाथों में हाथ डाल के.
चलें.